Yo, viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You get me, I say? If you're new here, just consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell to get the post notifications. Now, we also the video with the Rasta and the pastor. I wonder what caused the whole thing. So, Jamaican Drama TV do the investigation and find out what really going on. So, here we go on now. The pastor going to the Rasta territory to conduct a service. If you look on the wall behind the pastor, you realize there's some drawings of Selassie and some other Rasta images. You get me, I say? So, the Rasta never take kindly to that. So, he asked the pastor to move from the rest of the service. But the pastor refused to move. So, the Rasta attack him and throw some water upon him. You get me, I say? And that caused the whole fracas. So, this is how I really go on. And watch the video again and see for yourself, and then you can make your own assumptions and you can make your own analysis of the video. So watch how go on and then we can talk about it later.
Keep yourself white. Make sure you keep yourself white. Make sure you keep yourself white. Make sure you keep your position. Keep your position. Keep your position, demon. Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, demon. Hold your position, Satan. Satan, hold your position. Hold your position, demon. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position.
Yeah, viewers, as me I say, we never understand how the thing really started, they understand? But now, Jamaican Drama TV do them research and realize what really go on. You get me I say? So, now that you watch the video and we show you certain things, we want you to tell us if you think what we have say make sense or if not. You get me I say? So, tell us what you think and let us know. And remember, subscribe, share and like this video. Out.